Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to add the payment method on Odoo. So guys, after logging your account, what you have to do, have this option e-commerce and analysis and configuration. Guys, click this option configuration and click payment method. And from here guys, what you have to do, no payment method found, and set up payment provider. Click this option, and after that you have the different payments. Here you have the Amazon payment service, and you have PayPal, and you have Stripe, and you can, what you have to do, if you want to add the Stripe, click this option install. After that, wait to loading page, and from here your Stripe is successfully added, and you can connect here your Stripe easily. And if you are want to add PayPal, click the add the install option, and you will install PayPal here successfully without any problem. And you can set up your PayPal here by active this option. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.